I believe I have the pattern matching for this regular expression filter that function that I created for Frugal. Frugal is a lifestyle optimization tool that I had designed and developed using jQuery mobile framework, jQuery JavaScript, HTML5, cascading style sheets, uh, PHP, MySQL, and the way that interacts with the client Frugal, the app, using Ajax to tie the data communication between the PHP and the jQuery that processes it within the app alongside with the JavaScript. Um, yeah, the Ajax allows one to take the data being inputted into, let's say, the text fields within the app, and then have it the ability to submit it to the MySQL database using PHP, kind of like the middleware between that runs on the server side and processes the data that's being retrieved from the app, and that the app sends it via the Ajax within the app, the asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Processes the data within the app after it's been processed by the jQuery within the app, and then communicates with the PHP script on the server side. All right. But this pattern matching function that I had written in jQuery and I believe a little bit of JavaScript, yes, with when it comes to the regex.test or the regex.exec for executable, or to execute a regular expression, which is a form of text I can't say textual or character pattern matching, where it takes the ASCII character codes and then detects whether or not it falls under the dictionary of various tokens that would delimit the text, for instance, as an option. Whereas here it would be spaces, capitals, or lowercase, and alphanumerical matching. But I don't know if it's case insensitive. I don't know if I set it to be case insensitive or if I have to use, let's say, uppercase characters. I forget. It's been a while. So, Albon Pain. I have to end this recording soon because 10 minutes has almost passed. Not sure exactly how long has the pain has. I mean, how long the recording has been. I'm not sure. All right. There, it detected it. See, it's case insensitive, my pattern matching function that I had configured, where the alert has it went through and the list of marketplaces that I had received being stored within the database under the zip code of 08759. And then Albon Pen was one on the list, and I used the filter function I had created here, where the alert uh, echoes back or responds with how it detected a match of all ball and pan, where there's a capital H, capital B, and capital P for every word in succession that was matched, whereas the text that I had entered was all lowercase characters. So that means I had set it up to be case insensitive, meaning it would still detect it whether it be uppercase or lowercase, similar to, let's say, if an absolute value function was, or a dot a math.abs for the math library dot absolute value, if it were, let's say, regardless of whether or not the value was negative or positive, it would display the whole number. That's analogous to the way this behaves, where it doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase values, it'll still it'll still it doesn't care whether or not it's uppercase or lowercase, it'll still match. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now it found it, and I'm going to now search. What was it? Yeah, Mediterranean wrap. Let's see. Oh, it's good. This was one of my favorites that I used to get at the mall. Au Bon Pain. Let's see. Be under lunch, I believe. Yes. Yep. I used to love this. It's vegan. Let me tell you, Unicorn Girl would love it too, because she's kind of Mediterranean like me. You know, I have both French and Sicilian on from my father's side of the family. It's like it's ingrained within my family. While growing up, I was always exposed to, let's say, olives and I mean, they use hummus in this, and hummus is a big thing in the Mediterranean area region of the world too. Chickpeas, and there's a Mediterranean vegan and vegetarian way of living in, let's say, Italy and France in that region. Now, yeah, this is got it's a hummus wrap basically with Kalamata olives, and but you have to request them to explicitly not include the feta that it may come with. If you don't make the request for them to explicitly not include the feta or to exclude it, they by default add it as an ingredient, I believe. But otherwise, it's vegan. I never had an issue with that, and I have a dairy allergy, so I don't know if they've changed the recipe though. So it's been a while, and but it is the Mediterranean wrap, uh, vegetarian with hummus. It's good. Opal. I spelt it wrong. Opal pain. It's good. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording now.